If your HP printer is not connected to Wi-Fi, showing as offline, or frequently losing its wireless connection, a few simple troubleshooting steps can often resolve the issue. Before you begin, ensure that your printer is within the range of your Wi-Fi router, as weak wireless signal can prevent the printer from maintaining a stable connection. Then, follow the methods below to restore your printer's network connection and get back to printing smoothly. If you need assistance along the way, just call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Restart your devices. Turn off the printer, wait for around 10 seconds, then unplug the power cord from the printer. Shut down the computer, laptop, or mobile device you use for printing. Unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait for 10 seconds, then plug it back in and allow it to fully restart. Once the router is back online, reconnect the printer's power cord and turn the printer on. Try printing again and check whether the printer reconnects to wireless network. Method 2. Restore Wi-Fi setup mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together until the power button starts flashing. Wait until the wireless light begins flashing, indicating that the printer is ready to setup mode. Reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi network using the HP Smart app or your preferred setup method. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.